Hey, I remember the exact moment this screen came to life in my room. The color, the depth, the instant sense that something real was happening. This is the Samsung 65-inch OLED S90F. This is for the kind of person who is tired of visuals that look good for a TV and knows what true depth looks like. You can tell when blacks just sink into the picture, when colors don't feel washed, when motion actually keeps up with your eyes, and once you experience that, there is no going back. Take a minute now to check the current price and stock before exploring the rest of these. Don't hang around quietly. You know that point when you re-watching a show and think, why doesn't this feel as real as it should? That was my old setup, technically sharp, but emotionally flat. When this OLED arrived and I walked away from the compromise, the relief was immediate. The picture wasn't just clearer, it was alive. Motion felt fluid, contrast felt intentional, and every frame pulled you in instead of letting you drift out. Imagine kicking off a movie night where the deep shadows don't crush detail, where highlights sing without glare, where motion Xcelerator 144Hz actually keeps pace with every scene, not just tries to. Imagine gaming where every frame feels right and every color shift feels purposeful. This isn't about numbers on spec sheet, this is about how your eyes settle into what you're re-watching with zero resistance. And then there's the way the audio and AI features work together. Vision AI doesn't just upscale, it interprets what it sees, making content feel tailored to your space instead of generically processed. This isn't a gimmick, it is how films and games suddenly feel more present. Once you feel this level of performance, you'll notice every lesser screen you meet afterward feels like a placeholder you forgot you were using. Don't wait around for price dips or inventory quirks. Screens this refined get noticed and fast. Hesitation here usually turns into that nagging "I should be done it sooner" feeling later. You might wonder about room lighting or if OLED is worth it. Those worries fade within minutes of powering it up. You realize you weren't asking for too much, you were just asking for something that feels right. And here is a twist most people don't expect. Once you have this in your space, people actually linger. Conversations soften. Eyes shift to the screen not because it is big, but because it feels real. Deep true blacks that let every scene breathe color, that pops without shouting, fluid motion that actually keeps up clarity, that pulls you into every moment of viewing feel that finally satisfies premium price. But premium feel bright rooms may need lighting tweaks at a certain point. You stop cycling options and choose what already felt right the moment you saw it. Don't let this be the upgrade you think about later. Check availability now and make this experience yours with confidence.